and welcome to IntelKA's YouTube channel. My name is Ruby and I'll be showing you how to link the IntelKA Smart Wall Switch to Home Assistant. On our previous video we walked you through the IntelKA Smart Wall Switch wall mounting. If you haven't already done these steps, please check the link in the description. Alright, let's get started. We will need a phone, tablet, or computer, an IntelKA Smart Wall Switch, our Wi-Fi credentials, and MQTT credentials. We will perform the installation in 3 easy steps. First, we will connect to the IntelKA Smart Wall Switch. If your device isn't already in AP mode and blinking, please press the button for a few seconds until it starts blinking. Now on your phone or computer, you should now see a Wi-Fi network with the name IntelKA SW followed by a 4-digit number. Please connect using the following credentials. After connecting to the IntelKA Wi-Fi network, you may see a box to keep the connection without internet. Please click on it to continue. Once connected, open a web browser, for example Chrome, and go to the address 192.168.4.1 and press Enter. You will be prompted with a user and password. Please enter the default credentials. Great, you are now logged into the IntelKA Smart Wall Switch configuration. Second, we will set up our Wi-Fi credentials and MQTT credentials. Don't click Submit until you fill all the required fields. Please update the Wi-Fi credentials. You can find the password on the back of your Wi-Fi router. Please update the password for the AP mode of the IntelKA Smart Wall Switch to restrict access to the menu to undesired people. We'll need our MQTT broker credentials if you haven't already. Please check the link in the description on how to set up MQTT in Home Assistant. Write your credentials. For advanced users, please update the optional fields as needed. Go ahead and click Submit. And third, we will access Home Assistant through the iOS, Android app or web browser and confirm the device appears in our dashboard. Try toggling the switch in the app. Now that the light is working, you can change the name, icon, and assign an area if you desire. To do that, click on the name of the IntelKA device name as shown. Once done, click Update. You will need to change between dashboards, and then you will see the changes take effect. Great! You have now completed linking the IntelKA Smart Wall Switch to Home Assistant. On behalf of IntelKA's team, we want to thank you and have a great day.